amenities do residents expect in an apartment complex? If you look at the diversity of multifamily housing, of some much older facilities, newer facilities, brand new facilities, that changes a lot. But overall, what they're wanting is a good, clean, safe room. Maybe it's well lit, that it's not just in a dingy basement where they just don't feel comfortable going into. You want a room that is, if you have a situation like that, you certainly want to try to paint the walls, put in, some LED, nice, bright, well lit, paint the walls, flooring, all those things are very important. But also the equipment side of it is, you want to have as much maybe newer equipment that you can have different payment options on it besides just maybe coin. Maybe you want to go to an app pay solution, which is very easy, a little more expensive, but you can do a credit card pay on the machines, or a value add card that you can put money on it, let's say at a Central Pay, and then start the machines. So there's a lot of different variety of payment applications that customers are looking for, flexibility. They certainly like to have, newer equipment that's not broken down, that's, keep it clean, lint's picked up, and it's, having somebody that's actually pays attention to that laundry room, that makes customers, or I should say residents, feel comfortable coming into that room and using it versus going off site. So keeping that revenue in your facility is important, and the way you do that is you make the right investments, and you make the rooms feel homely, right? Put some nice pictures up, etc., to complement the equipment. That's the place they want to go to do their laundry.